Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't posted in like 2 weeks. I mean, at least it's like not like months. We're going to the mall, IKEA, just everywhere. Oh, the lighting's getting bad. My car's a mess, y'all. I haven't done a car tour yet because it's a mess. See y'all later. Si en el camino tú no estás conmigo, si no te tengo a mi lado. This lighting is horrible. We're in the mall now, our local mall. Huh? So we're in BS. Probably talking too soft, but okay, I haven't been updating you on that. A lot. I've spent over I spent like 100 something. I will give you all a haul when I get home, but I'm still not done because I'm going to Tampa. But I have Zoomies, Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, and Aeropostale because there was like there's sales in every single store. I do not know how to record. This is the fit. Got the Crocs. They're dirty. Don't. Okay, we're leaving. The in the background. Ew, I hate this angle. Look at a mess. Oh. We're in the car now. Period. I mean, I was gonna get more Nike socks, but I forgot. I will give you a car tour, I promise. Don't know when, but it's a mess right now. Oh, don't look at her toes. It's a mess. You know, I'm listening to my baby Raul, Freak Rosalia. That's my man. Stop. Hace unos días me caí del cielo. Tú no eres ella, pero te deseo. Okay, quick little story time. So I'm taking my sister to this one place. It's Learning Express, which I guess they have fidgets and all this crap. You know how little kids are. And she said it was in Tampa. So I drove all the way to Tampa, and then I went to the wrong place. So I had to go to a whole different city, which is Sarasota, which is a whole hour away. And we're here now, over there somewhere. And then after this, we gotta go back to Tampa to go to IKEA. So a lot of driving, a lot of wasting gas, all this bull crap. So I'll be expecting some gas money from this itch.
You're not gonna get any.
Bull crap, y'all. I just wasted even more gas because it's empty and it's closed. We're going to Five Below. Oh my god, we're in Five Below now. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Let me stop. I need to piss really bad, y'all. What? Should I get? You should get these. Vegetables. Wait, they're called vegetables. Vegetables? What the heck? Yo, these look good. Follow my Instagram, y'all. Dang, y'all see how rude my sister is? Both of them mother freakers. I just spent $36 at Five Below because that little one right there wasted all my money, please. Now we're gonna go to Wawa because now I need gas because I just wasted like around 100 miles today. I made it to Tampa. We're in IKEA. Yeah, it took like 40 minutes, almost. I don't know.
That's worse. Imagine if we lose our phone here.
Ooh, you got to look through the whole story. Room tour. I'm dead. Hey, we have these.
Oh yeah. Oh, $3.
So this is my. I'm dead. This is my sink area. Oh yeah, I like that. $60. It's unavailable. Ew, why does my body look like that?
We're gonna go the D.
They're probably missing the key. Oh, I like this bathroom.
This reminds me of like the Kobe's bathroom.
This reminds me of the bathroom cosmetics.
I was gonna tell you about that.
What the freak is 300 and
This.
just the cabinet?
Not one, but the whole thing.
But like more like this. Look.
I already know how I'm gonna edit that. So cute. I like this clothing rack. And then,
You like it? I like this.
period.
What did he sit on it?
The desk. Oh, free. That's just the, what is this?
Sit.
It's a fake?
Put a little blanket thing in it.
Damn, she was looking nice. It's comfortable. Express. That word is traumatizing me now. So this is my kitchen. This is where I cook all my good meals, and this is where we eat, you know, period. So let's do
Price tag.
a cooking tutorial. Damn, this is heavy. So this is another one of my living rooms, you know, very bougie. Look at the price, $9.50. I got a lot of couches over there too. Don't worry about that. Oh, this is so pretty. I got an all-white kitchen. And then
This is what you have in the refrigerator.
I haven't done groceries. This is like my other kitchen. It's like gray, you know. It has like gray. And then this dining area, like a whole bunch of kitchens and living rooms.
I like this one.
This is like the guest living room. And this is the other one. Look at the Minecraft stuff.
What? This whole thing, like, it's so soft too. Look at like.
That's what it looks like outside of my living room. You know, we got a view of an apartment. So this is my baby's room. It's very cute. Got a nice layout. It,
There's no hole.
you said there's no hole. I'm dead. Look, this room is cute, and this is like the size of my room.
I think it's bigger. I like these doors.
Oh yeah, so bougie. Oh, and it got lights on top too. So our house is 594 square feet. Right here's the living room, you know, and then like a bunk bed, sofa, I don't freaking know. And then, oh, the kitchen, whatever. The bed. Look at this closet. Period. No hole. The tub, I mean shower. Sinks. This is like, what is this called? I forgot what this is called. The mud room area. Whatever the freak. Man, this house is small. 1 bedroom. Oh, look how cute this is. It has like the bed right here. And then the area right there. This is my brown kitchen. You know, I still haven't gone grocery shopping, so there's no groceries on there. That's another kitchen. So I'm here in my setup, you know. I have my little drawing area. You can barely even see me. Ew, why is it so angled like that? That's not cute. my bunk bed. Because, you know, I gotta have enough space for me to sleep. Let me stop. The bag is secure. We got this big old mirror and some silverware. So I'm back home. We had went to Walmart, but I didn't feel like vlogging because I didn't know where the camera was and I was not gonna look for it. But now I'm gonna keep y'all a haul in the next clip. I'm gonna eat though first. Alright, so bye.
Yo vi un video en TikTok.
I should record this. You don't have nothing to say now?
No.
I'm going outside with you.
¿Sabes qué quiero decir? El bicho. Ey. Yo pensaba que iba a...
Jimmy, come here. Come here. Say hi to
You're not going outside.
Yo, this is my sister. Say hi.
Hi.
You're so cute. Okay, so here is my haul. Besides the stuff I got for my sisters, this is just my stuff. Okay, so now it's gonna be the haul. Say hi, Jamie.
Hi.
That's my sister, my beautiful sister. I'm gonna do the haul now. So, this is my second time filming this part because the first time it was just a lot going on. Jamie, move. So I got this Ethica set.
I can hear you.
Shh, please, shush. I got this Ethica set with the shorts. And the bottoms are $23.95 and the top is $31.95. Shh. And then I got these sweatpants from Aaron Boston. I paid $10 for them, but the original price is $40. I went to Victoria's Secret and I got these. I have these in red lace, but I wanted black. And I got these, which they only cost me $5, so it was a steal. And then I got this top. And original price $25 and I paid $11. These shorts, original price $30. I think I paid $11 for them. And Victoria's Secret, I got this perfume, Glowing Places. I don't know how much I paid for that. Excuse all the whining and crying in the background, please. I got this other one, Bath and Body Works, just like this one too, Bath and Body Works. And then this hand soap from Bath and Body Works. That was pretty much it. So, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This video is probably going to be posted tomorrow. It is currently January 6th. So it's probably going to be posted January 7th because I'm going to edit it tonight. So I can get it posted because I haven't posted in like 2 weeks. But, bye.